Hi, my name's Galvin De Leon Guerrero, and I would like to teach you how to create a quiz in Edmodo. So I'm actually creating a quiz for a real class for a very real situation. I teach AP English, and this year the College Board has announced a bunch of changes to their testing in amidst this pandemic. So you go to your course page and you click on this plus sign here to create a quiz. And that will take you to this portal. And you will then name the quiz, which I'm going to call College Board Resources. And then you just list quick instructions. I like to give them an overview, so I would want to be sure you are ready to take this year's AP test. So then you click over here, that's step one. You click over here to step two, which is the actual quiz questions. And what I like to do is I like to have my questions prepared ahead of time. You never know when your internet might go out. So this allows me to prepare everything ahead of time. So my first question, you're given here a bunch of question types, right? And my first question is going to be a true or false question. So this is my statement. All exams this year will be open book exams. And thankfully that is true this year. So you type in your statement and then you click true or false here to indicate the correct response. Let's move on to my next question, which will be a fill in the blank. It's actually, I really like fill in the blank questions because it ensures that students are fully comprehending what they need to know. So you write in your statement and then you click underline. Oops, I need to change this over here. And then it'll give you a portion here, a section here where you have to enter the correct response. So for this statement, in order to take an AP exam, you will need an e-ticket. So you write in the correct response there, and that e-ticket will be sent to the email address that the student has on file. Let's move on to our next question here, which is going to be a multiple choice question. So I'm going to copy my question here. The College Board advises that you check in how much earlier before each exam. So I'm giving students three choices, either 5 minutes, 15 minutes, and 30 minutes. And with multiple choice, you have only one correct response. And for this, the correct response is 30 minutes. They want to make sure that students can address any tech issues before the quiz begins or the test begins. So the next question I'm going to add is multiple answer. And this is a relatively new feature in Edmodo, which I'm really happy about. And this allows students to enter more than one correct answer, which is true for life, right? So this question is which devices can you use to take the exam? So options are smartphone, smart tablet, paper and pencil, and the last response or option I want to give students is laptop or desktop. And the great news is that the College Board is being very accommodating and sensitive to students' needs at this time, so you can use any of these options. The last question I'm going to use is another multiple answer question. And this is just to make sure that students are aware of how they can submit their responses when taking the test. So my first option is to attach a file, a text file. The next option is to copy and paste their response into the College Board's portal. Another option that I'm giving students to choose is to call the College Board with their responses. And then the last one is to attach a photo of their handwritten responses. Now, the only one here that is not correct is you cannot call in the College Board. And that is the last question. So I'm going to assign this, select a due date. I'm going to have it due next week right before they take their exam and make sure that is required. And then what happens is as soon as your quiz or your assignment is posted, it will give you this screen. So just click, got it. So there you go. That is a nice, easy, breezy way to create a quiz in Edmodo. Thank you very much, and I hope it helps you a lot.